Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and the display is giving you an E5F or an ESF, can sometimes look like, error, and you're trying to figure out what this is and what can you do to get rid of it. And so just a real quick description of what it is that basically the control board tells the inverter board to send power to the drive motor to get it started. And if that fails to start, then it will give you this error. And you might actually notice you get this error when you start a cycle. And so basically what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to check the wiring between the inverter board and the main control board and see what's going on. So you're going to want to replace any damaged or reconnect any disconnected wires or anything like that, or any loose wires. If all of the wiring looks okay, the next step would be to replace the inverter board. And if the inverter board looks okay, the next step would be to actually replace the electronic control board. And if you get to that point, I'll put a link in the description for a tutorial on terms of how to replace the electronic control board in your dryer.